Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to cut and sew this beautiful and super easy full circle wrap skirt. It's beginners friendly, doesn't need a zipper or a button, and perfect for any fabric, Ankara, cotton or satin. Here I used a Mikado fabric. For this wrap skirt, here is what you will need. 2.5 to 3 yards of fabric. Here I'm using 2.5 yards of fabric and I'm using a Mikado fabric. Measuring tape, scissors, tailor's chalk, and a sewing machine, of course. Now let's take your measurements. The measurements you'll be needing are your waist measurement and your full length, your desired length. For these, I'll be making a full length skirt. To make this wrap skirt, you'll be needing your waist measurement with extra inches because it's a wrap skirt. So depending on how full you want it to be, how you want it to go around you, that determines the extent of allowance you will add to it. So let's say your waist measurement is 30 inches. You can try to add 5 inches or even more to it to get what you desire. Now let's dive into it. The first thing you'll be doing is to fold your fabric in a triangular form. I'm folding it into two here. The waist measurement I'm using for this plus the allowance is 32 inches. So divided by 4, I'm going to be having 8 inches. I'm going to measure out 8 inches here. Then mark the point at which the 8 inches is. Then I'm going to take my measuring tape to the tip of the triangle and measure out what I have at that marked point. Here I have 10 1/4. I'm going to be marking that 10 1/4 all around. Then connect the dot into a smooth curve. From that point, I'm going to be measuring out the length of this skirt. The length I'm using for this skirt is 40 inches. Minus 2 inches for the band, I'm going to have 38 inches. Plus 1 inch sewing allowance, I'm going to have 39 inches here. So here I'm measuring out 39 inches from the marked curve. I will note that point, open it up and fold it into two. After folding it into two, I'm going to fold it again, now into four, still in a triangular form. I'm going to repeat what I did the other time, which is measure out the waist. 32 inches divided by 4, 8 inches. I'm going to locate that 8 inches here. Don't forget this is folded into 4. I have one open edge and one closed edge. So I have 4 inches. I have it folded into 4 here. I'm going to note that point where that 8 inches is. Take my measuring tape to the tip of the triangle and measure the 10 1/4 that I have there. Then connect it all around. From the marked curve, I'm going to measure out my length, which is 39 inches plus sewing allowance. Depending on the waist measurement you are using and the length of the fabric, your fabric might need joining at the lower part of the skirt. This is going to need a little joining. If you are making a shorter skirt, or even the person you are making for has a tinier waist, you might not need joining, depending on the fabric you are using. So here I marked out the length all around. Then connect it together in a curve. Then I'll cut it out. You can see where the joining is going to be here. Just a little joining I'm going to be needing. And it's going to be at the back. Now I will add extra fabric for the joining. Then measure out the 38 inches. I already added my sewing allowance to it. I push the fabric up a bit before folding it. Then cut it out. Now let's cut the waistband. Cut a strip that's your waist measurement plus about 50 to 60 inches extra for the tie. Then I'll measure out a width of 5 inches. Then cut it out. After cutting it out, fold the strip in half lengthwise and iron it. Now I'm going to locate the center of this band, then notch it. Then divide my waist into two and input the measurements to the right of the notch and to the left of the notch. So let's say I have 32 inches here. From the notch, I'm going to measure 16 inches to the right, then 16 inches to the left. and I'm going to mark it. I'm going to sew stitch the remaining this way. That's for the tie. And I'll be leaving out the place I want to attach to the band alone. So now the next thing I'm going to do is to fold the edges of this wrap skirt. I'll fold it into two, and stitch it up. I'll do the same thing at the other side, and I'll also hem the lower part by folding it into two, then stitch it all through. Now that I'm done with that, I'll be attaching the band to the waist of the skirt. I have sewn the other sides. It's only the part I'm attaching to the waist that is left open. The next thing to do is to pin the waistband along the top of the skirt, starting from one end to the other. I notch the center of the skirt and I attach the notched part of the band to the center of the skirt. I'm going to sew it all around, then top stitch for a neat finish. And here is our finished wrap skirt. It's stylish, comfortable, and super easy to make. Just wrap it around your waist and tie it. You can dress it up or down. This is our skirt with a beautiful blouse. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more easy sewing tutorial every week. Let me know what you'd like to see next. If you have any question regarding this beautiful wrap skirt, don't forget to drop that in the comment section and I'll respond to you as soon as I see it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.